Hello, I am Philipp Gaschler and I'd like to present to you what we've done in the last 4 months as media and computer science students at TU Dresden in Germany. We were inspired, amongst others, through Johnny Lee's previous work, and we set us the goal to develop a low-budget 3D tracking system, as well as an application for it. This tracking works as follows. As cameras serve the monochrome cameras with infrared filter in the Wii remote. Based on the normal case of photogrammetry, the cameras lie parallel to each other in a definite distance. By the known orientation of the cameras, the calculation becomes easier. Furthermore, an absolute 100% accurate positioning isn't necessary for our purpose. Relative positioning suffices. The Wiimotes send the X and Y coordinates of the identified IR sources via Bluetooth to the computer. The X values differ from a certain degree from each other. This difference, called parallax, serves for the calculation of the depth coordinate. With a distance of 10 cm between the Wiimotes, evolves a space in about 80 cm, which has a size of about 50 x 50 x 50 cm. In X direction a little bit bigger, because the aperture angle, there with 41 degrees, is bigger than the angle in the height, where it's only 31 degrees. As the cameras react on IR light sources, we built a pointer device that is equipped with IR diodes at its front. For saving batteries, we connected it with an USB port, because the SMD, which is in the middle, glares continuously and signalizes where the cursor is located. It has a large angle of radiation of 120 degrees. However, the power lasts only for 2 meters. By pressing both ends of the grabber, the circuit closes and 3 more LEDs are activated. Since the Wiimote can additionally analyze the point size and the light blob becomes bigger through the other LEDs, this can be converted in a sort of mouse click. Mistakes in the computation of X and Y positions of the cameras affect strongly the calculated Z coordinate. For balancing the arising tremble of the Z value, it has to be smoothed. To use the special possibilities of the 3D tracking, we programmed a game with the help of the JMonkey engine. We called it Pipe. The game takes place in a virtual room, as big as the space in which you are moving around the grabber. The task is to build a half-open pipe through a level. Over this pipe shall roll a ball that makes it to the destination at the other side of the level. The interesting thing about that is that the laws of gravity are not the same all over the room. While in the middle of the level apply laws similar to those on Earth, the gravity becomes higher in the red area and lower in the blue area. So you have to think about it, where to gain new speed and where to overcome the gradients. Additionally to completing the level, there are speed bonuses and bonus points for collected coins. To give the game a little bit more complexity, there is moreover the possibility to change the direction of the gravity while the ball is rolling. Besides this, we try to support the transfer between the 3-dimensional input and the 2-dimensional output on the monitor. The color perspective, related to the aerial perspective, which provides that front objects appear in a more red and more saturated color, and farther objects rather blue and less saturated, helps the user to realize where the objects are located in the room. Besides the monocular depth cues, like occlusion and relative size, we could integrate the effect of motion parallax into the game. Therefore, you can move the camera with the help of a second grabber. We simulate the movement of the head and allow the user to get very fast an overview of the level. Moreover, we offer several other facilities like a 3D crosshair. After extensive tests, it turned out that the combination of a 3D crosshair and almost head tracking already conveys a very good feeling for the room. Finally, it's up to me to say that the Wiimotes afford a good entrance to the world of 3D tracking, also because of the low costs. So you can replicate this example with quite little effort. They expanded with new ideas. The game provides some interesting approaches too, particularly to the navigation in a 3D space, which can be easily translated into other applications. We enjoyed the work on it. Thanks for watching.